This week's presentation is an extension of a registry that was developed in a previous assignment and covers creating views using a database. When the database was first developed for a diabetic registry, the following factors were included as basic measures for tracking progress with the management of diabetes: A1C, FBS, fasting blood sugar, weight, and blood pressure. The four selected factors were each placed into separate tables for integration with the table, including basic patient demographics. This week, the patient's sex was added to that original table of information in order to allow for integration and selection of data this week. The medical record number was designated as the prime key to assist with integrating the records and preserving the integrity of the database. The following slides demonstrate the creation of the 5 tables in SQL. There was a patient A1C data, patient's fasting blood sugars, patient weight, and patient blood pressure. After creating the 5 tables, the insert command was used to populate the data into the tables, and a sample follows on the next slide. Having created a very basic database of only 20 patients, the author was able to create views to look at the overall range of A1Cs. The following slides illustrate the statement that was used and the resulting view. As you can see, all of the patients are listed with an A1C of 6.5 or greater. Having created a table with all of the A1C data compiled, the author then created a second view with data for only female patients. The following slides show the statement that was created and the subsequent view of the data. It should be noted that the A1Cs are listed in descending order. An additional view was created to illustrate the A1Cs for male patients. The following slides show the statement that was used to create the view and the view itself. And again, these numbers were listed in descending order. The medical record number was used as the prime key for joining data from different tables, as was stated earlier. The author now understands that views could be created for information from the other 3 tables that were created in the initial assignment, and that specific data could be taken from various tables in order to analyze that data. This concludes the presentation and lists the references that were used in developing this particular presentation.